Okay, well, as you can see, we were successful getting the old cable pulled through the radar base. There's our piece of mechanics wire coming out here, and we're going to attach this new Raymarine cable to it, gently pull it through. You have to be very careful of this communication end. It's just like the one that goes in the back of your computers, and it's fragile, so we got to tape that up really good and gently pull this thing through the radar base into the cabin of the boat. Okay, so we got our new cable hooked up to the fish tape wire going through the radar mount, and we've kind of laid the cable out here so we can gently pull it through. So Karen, my trusty assistant, is down below. I'm going to have her gently pull on it. Go ahead, Karen. Just gently feed this in. Here we go. Here it comes. Okay, give a little gentle bit of a pull. Still won't go? Okay, hold on.